Hi, I'm Moria from Edinburghblooms. I make bag organisers, bag shapers, base shapers, space protectors and dust bags and other bag accessories. I'm always happy to have new ideas for things that people need for their lovely bags. So just get in touch with me through the website. Any brand goes. Today I was just going to talk to you a little bit about a special order that I've made because of the special heart that's on the organizer, and then just explain a little bit about the Neverfull GM and maybe show you the Neverfull organizer that I make as well. So this is for anyone who's interested in the bag or possibly getting an organizer. I'm based in the UK, but I ship worldwide. So the reason that I've wanted to show you this bag is because this bag is so big, and the older it gets, it really just falls into itself, like it really just crumbles almost. So it's very hard to store in that way, but also obviously when you're carrying and there's things in it, and if there's no support, it's really just gonna kind of fall over. And it's very similar to the Longchamp in that sense, the Longchamp tote that I also make an organizer for. But if you have a newer bag, it will still be quite stiff. So it will take time to soften, but the size of it, the sheer size of it, is really one of the reasons that I think a bag organizer is really important. So let me just show you. I've put the insert inside already because it's quite hard to get in. It's not hard, but yeah, it takes about a minute, so I don't want to do that. So I've already kind of smoothed it out, and it's inside the bag. This is my own personal GM. It's very old and it's really soft. So what I wanted to show you is the heart, if you can see. So this is the Demi-Ebene canvas. It's an original canvas. It's not a fake canvas. I get it off a nice lady that she's got a limited quantity of those. So if you want a monogram heart or maybe a Demi-Ebene, please do get in touch. It is a bit extra, but it's worth it because this bag is going to go, this organizer is going to go into the Neverfull GM Demi-Ebene. So this is the organizer. It just sits really smoothly. And it's got the two pockets, so these are the two pockets, and my phone fits really well, and that's why I like these pockets because they're quite big. Okay, so that's one pocket, and on the other side's another pocket. You can get a key clip, a water bottle. I use my Neverfull GM is when I go away for the day. Like, I don't take it overnight, I just take it for the day if I'm going away to stay with someone. I've got kids are coming with me, I've got quite a lot of stuff to take. This is why I use it. But a lot of people like to take it on holiday, so this customer has taken it on holiday and realised she needs an organizer. Another thing that you can add on, and I've spoken to about it in my other video about just one-stop shop with Edinburghblooms, is when you want to use your pouch from your Neverfull and you want to use it for a conversion and use it as crossbody. So what you get is you get an insert for your pouch. Okay, you can choose a heart. This one is my tartan Scottish heart. Okay, it's very cute. You get the pocket. I'm going to try my phone in it because I think the pocket fits the phone, so that's just great. So that means you just put that in there, and then you've got some space here for keys and things like that, or lipstick, maybe hand gel, and then you get your chain. So this is just 120 centimeter long chain. You can get your own chain, you don't have to buy my chain, okay? This is it. So this is for anyone considering getting the bag organizer plus the conversion kit. Okay, as a bundle, and then you get your little screw and you put that into the pouch. I'm possibly going to make a video about how to use this screw and how to insert it into the pouch, but it connects to one side of the pouch and it stays there, and then you got your chain and it clips on the other side where it's got a little D-ring on the actual pouch. So that's your conversion kit. You can buy it separately as well. You do get the organizer. I just think that's such a nice touch. I wouldn't just sell the chain and the little screw. Okay, so you do get my liner. Another thing I was going to mention is to show you just my Neverfull organizer, and just to show you how actually it fits. Just to let you know, in case you are thinking of the conversion kit, whether you've got a GM or an this is the size you get. It's the same size. If you've got the small Neverfull PM, just let me know, you get a smaller size organizer for the pouch, okay? So I'm just gonna quickly insert the organizer, which is in the hot pink PIVOINE. Okay, this one is for the size with the baby pink heart. You can choose your heart. If you fancy having a monogram canvas heart, you can get one. As I explained, I do need to order them ahead of time, so let me know. And it's got 2 nice pockets as well. I did review my organizer, so that is a video that I've made, so you can find that. Okay, and I'm just going to put them together just so you can see what a difference in size. If you're thinking of both bags, this is more than enough to show you how big the GM is. Okay, so it's a big bag. But if you're considering a classic, this is a beautiful classic to own. Sometimes it gets heavy, so I can make a little shoulder pad. So if you do want one, especially for the demi-ebene, which is quite a stiff leather handles, it can be something that might make life easier, okay? So it does get heavy and it does dig into your shoulder a little bit. But, I mean, you don't travel every day and you don't load up, you know, take loads of things every single day in life. But when you do, this is a really lovely alternative to a big bag. You travel in style, please consider an organizer because it just keeps the bag so pretty. Okay, it doesn't fall, it doesn't topple or anything like that. It just keeps it really nice and upright. I've also got an Instagram and I'm on Facebook, so if you need anything else, let me know. And if you've got any ideas for other videos, let me know as well. Thank you for watching. Bye.